Welcome to this episode of Andy's Road Trip, and welcome to the Batcave.
Wow.
Now, in this episode, we are going to be unboxing this gorgeous 1966 Corgi Batmobile. It is a re-release, and you can still buy it online for $65, including shipping, and it's 2026.
Wow.
Watch as we unbox it, and I go over all the nifty Bat features that it has. And we put it on the treadmill.
What?
And speed test this Batmobile. So let's go.
Wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Let's take a look at the operating instructions. I see the missiles. Look at that. The fire that comes out of the turbine engine in the back moves in and out. And the blade, of course, drops down. Let's look at this side of the instruction manual. It tells us that your Corgi Batmobile is a highly detailed precision die-cast model incorporating all the features of the real thing. In addition to the action features, you should be able to spot the following: the aircraft type steering wheel, the simulated bat phone, the radar scanner on the hood, the radar screen on the dashboard, the fire extinguisher at the rear of the cockpit, the dual antenna above the cockpit, the simulated flashing beacon, and the simulated rocket release lever in the cockpit. And then it says, how's that for modeling? I say impressive. As I'm putting together this footage, I started thinking about the Batman show, the one that I enjoyed so much, all the different movies, and all the different characters that have played Batman through the years. Now, the original actor was Adam West, and I had the privilege of meeting him. Actually, my whole family did, and it was by accident. It was not at a book signing or a movie or nothing promotional. We were in Manhattan for the Christmas show with the Rockettes. And afterwards, we went someplace very nice for dinner. And if you've eaten in Manhattan, you know that the tables are very close together, a little bit narrow. And apparently, Adam West was behind me. He was wearing an all black suit, not a cape, no mask, and he was eating alone. So we sit down, and then, I hear some of my family whispering, and so I said, what's going on? They said, that's Batman. They said, what? They said, Adam West. I said, oh. So, I had to come up with an excuse to get up. So I said, you know what, I'll go to the bathroom. So I stood up and I said to my stepbrother, Mike, I said, Mike, can you tell me where the men's room is? And he said, sure, it's over to the west. And he pointed right at the guy.
Huh?
Anyway, we had a very nice meal. He had a nice meal. He came over and he spoke to us. And, what a nice guy. And I cherish that memory. I started going through other jokes and Batman material. And, my girlfriend said, all this Batman stuff is driving me nuts. She's like, it's so annoying. But I just said, she's such a joker.
Oh, wow.